Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.
Alright, hello there you guys, your girl Euniycemari here, and I am back with another video for you guys. So today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a update video because I've gotten a few questions about this oil, and then people have been like, what's going on with you in the Main Choice Growth Oil? Can you give us an update please? So first I want to say the reason why I haven't had a recent update video is because I have been using a different type of oil. If you guys know, or if you guys see my other videos, I was using the Daughters of Eve growth oil. So I'm officially all done with this oil. It's so sad. I'm gonna have to buy me another one. So I already had another growth oil from the Main Choice left, or I had another bottle. So now that I finished that one, I'm jumping back into this bottle. So I kind of held off on bringing up the topic or talking about this because I wasn't currently using it. So also too, I want to put out there that for me, I don't measure growth with growth oils. I'm not going to sit up here and say like, oh, I'm looking to see if this grows my hair, because I am using supplements. So you guys know that I'm currently taking the Curls liquid hair growth vitamin, which I will have a review up on. I just finished my second bottle today, and that's a month worth. So I will be having up a whole new chit chat, talk, link check, all of that coming up pretty soon, so stay tuned. But because I am taking an internal supplement, I don't really want to try to break down the difference of if the oil is working and if the supplement is working. That's too much work. So I'm just gearing in, or I'm really just focusing in on if the supplement internally is working, okay? But I'm not measuring off to see if this is growing my hair, or if the Daughters of Eve hair oil is growing my hair. I'm not doing that. I'm pretty much more so gearing in on if these products are keeping my scalp moisturized, if they're lightweight, if they're just overall adding to the health of my hair, okay? Now, I picked up another bottle, of course, because I really do enjoy it. I really do enjoy the Main Choice Growth Oil. It works great for me. That one bottle I had, girl, I flew through it. I loved it. It is lightweight. It smells really good. It moisturizes, and it's all natural. It definitely helps and adds to the health of my scalp and my hair. And I don't like to use too many different oils in my hair care regimen. I really like to stick to oils that I like and that I trust, and that it's something that I'm not using 6 different oils at once. I don't like stuff like that. I like to keep it kind of minimal when it comes to my hair care. So currently, Daughters of Eve and Main Choice are the only 2 oils that I am using right now. Like, that's it, besides maybe a regular oil like jojoba oil or coconut oil. And those are quick things that if I don't have these on deck, those are just some quick things that I grab and I apply it into my scalp. But when it comes to store-bought or buying oils, the Main Choice and the Daughter of Eve is the only 2 oils currently that I am using. So I have been using this for some time because my scalp has been going crazy. It's been going crazy since I put it in braids. I don't know what it is, but this definitely really does help out. I love this little nozzle. The nozzle really does come in handy because I can point it exactly where I want to apply the oil, and then I just massage it in. And when I'm telling you guys, this oil is so lightweight. I had somebody comment recently on my video saying that the oil was extremely heavy, or the oil was oily. The oil is not heavy or oily at all. And I'm trying to think of hair texture. I'm trying to think of, or do you have extremely fine hair? But I don't even think for that would count. And I'm gonna go ahead really quickly and just show you guys the consistency of the oil, because this oil is nowhere near heavy. Nowhere near heavy. Okay, so you guys can see this oil is nowhere near heavy. If you watch this oil, when you rub it into the skin, do you guys see how it just disappears? It's not heavy at all. Super lightweight, like super lightweight on the skin. Super lightweight on the skin. Like, it just absorbs right into the skin. I would even say that the Main Choice growth oil is a lot lighter than, actually, I want to say, the Daughters of Eve. This is a lot lighter than that one. So, and my hair is fine, so, and I have oily skin, so I really don't like to put too much oils on the scalp or anything that's heavy, because then it goes down to my face. I look like a freaking butterball turkey on a Thanksgiving day, you know, so I don't like to look like that. But update, just an update for you guys. I love this stuff. I continue to use it. I will go out and buy another bottle, and I do suggest this as a lightweight oil, and it's all natural. And this really does work for me. Now, before I end this video, I just want to say that when I again recommend something, or not recommend, but when I am telling you guys about a product, I'm of course telling you guys about a product from my own personal experience and what I like, and what works for me or what doesn't work for me. Now, once again, what may work for me may not work for you. You may go out and buy this oil and it may be too heavy for you. You may not like it. It may not moisturize your scalp at all. And that's totally fine. That's how it goes when it comes to products. Some things work for people. Some things don't work for people. It's the name of the game, okay? And I always want to put that out there, because a lot of times I get people who tell me, or they comment, oh, well, I purchased it and it didn't work for me. And, you know, like, how did you tell me about, you know, and it's like, they're products. That happens to me as well. I'll see something that a girl buys in a haul, and I will go buy it, and it doesn't work for me. And I'm like, what is she rated about that product? That product sucked. You know what I mean? So just keep that in mind, that what I tell you guys is just from my own personal experience, but I do suggest it as far as, like, if you are looking for a lightweight and you're like, oh, I want an oil that is really lightweight, this bad boy is it, okay? This is a good lightweight oil, all right? And I had a coupon, you guys. I'm gonna tell y'all something. I had a coupon, so I got this for $4. I was so happy. So if you guys have a coupon, you can get a deal on it, all that fun stuff. But just a quick update. It is something that stays still in my regimen. There's nothing that I can say bad about it. There's nothing that I don't like about this oil. Not at all. It works perfectly fine for me. It does the job. It's lightweight, and yeah. So I won't be doing another review on this. I think that this is something that is now going to be a staple in my regimen, or that you guys putting it out there, that this is now something that is a staple in my regimen. But it will be something that I kind of go back and forth with between this and the Daughter of Eve oil. Now, if you guys want me to do a comparison video of this and the Daughters of Eve oil, just go ahead and let me know down below. I can sit down and do a little bit of comparison, because there are some differences, and I do see that they do give me different results, or different feelings. Well, different results, different feelings, different things for my scalp. And yeah, we can get all into that in another video if you guys want to see that. If you guys want to see that, then just comment down below and say, hey, do a comparison video, Eunice, okay? All right, so with that being said, that is just my quick update of the Mane Choice Growth Oil. And just to tell you guys, I'm still using it. It is something that I do like, and it stays in my rotation. And I'm not using it for the purpose of seeing if it grows my hair, but more so, what does it do for my scalp? And yeah. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. This is your girl, Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.